Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 7, chapter 1, integers. Properties of subtraction of integers. We have learned in the last video session the properties of addition of integers. Let's see how many of these properties are true for subtraction of integers. First, let us see closure property. So if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is always an integer. For example, 7 and 5 are two integers. So 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2, is also an integer. Okay, let me take one more example. 6 and minus 2 are two integers. So 6 minus 2, that is a minus b. 6 minus 2 will be equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8, is also an integer. So 2 is also an integer, 8 is also an integer. That is, if a and b are two integers, then a minus b will also be equal to, will also be an integer. So next let us see the commutative property. Commutative property is not true for subtraction of integers. That is, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. For example, let a be equal to minus 6 and b be equal to 2. Okay, first let us check with a minus b. So what will be a minus b? A minus, what is a? A is minus 6 minus, what is b? 2. So minus 6 minus 2 will be equal to minus 8. Okay, next let us check with b minus a. So what is b? 2. Minus, what is a? Minus 6, which is equal to 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. So here we got minus 8 and here we got plus 8. So a minus b, that is minus 8, is not equal to b minus a, that is 8. Therefore, subtraction of integers is not commutative. Okay, now next let's check with associative property. Associative property is also not true for subtraction of integers. That is, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. And we know that a, b and c are integers. Now for example, let a be equal to 3, b be equal to minus 7 and c be equal to minus 2. Now first let us check with this one, that is a minus b minus c. So here we have a as 3. So let us write 3. Then we have minus. What is b, students? B is minus 7, isn't it? Minus 7. Then we have to close this bracket. Then minus. What is c? C is again minus 2. let us solve this. We get 3 minus of minus 7 becomes plus 7. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So which is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 2 which is equal to 12. So we got A minus B minus C as 12. Next, let us check with A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. So here we get, what is A? A is 3 minus, what is B? B is minus 7, and then you have minus, what is C, students? Minus 2. So close this bracket. We get 3 minus, we have here minus 7, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So which is equal to 3 minus, so what is minus 7 plus 2 is 5. So this is equal to 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8. So A minus B minus C, we got it as 12, and then we got A minus B minus C as 8. So 12 is not equal to 8. So therefore A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So subtraction of integers is not associative. Is this clear, students? Remember, students, closure property is true for both addition and subtraction. Commutative and associative properties are true for addition, but they are not true for subtraction of integers. Thank you, students.